Holy crap. This is quite an interesting video. As this is my second time that I'll be recording this video. Um, it looks like the first time I recorded it, um the file that I was showing didn't show up for some reason. But I seem to have gotten it to work now, so let's give this another go. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in 2025. I hope you guys have an amazing break from work and you get to spend some quality times with families and friends over the holiday breaks. Um, I am quite excited for what 2025 has to offer, and for my channel I continue to want to grow the quality of contents that I put out on this channel, and improve the overall experience for my viewers, you guys, and experiment with new things. And yeah, I am quite excited for 2025. As you can tell, I thought I'll start out my videos in 2025 by making a budget, showing you what my budget kind of looks like for 2025. You may remember that I made one video similar to this in 2024. My intention was to continue to do a monthly videos, showing you how my budget have changed in 2024, but unfortunately that just was not possible, just due to live happenings and other things in my life in 2024. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, you'll know you may see two payments here that is broken down into payment number one and paycheck number two. I do currently get two payments every month, and each payment is roughly around this amount every month, 1,658.50 is currently what I make every 2 weeks. My emergency savings, you may know, used to be around $500, but just due to other life happenings and things happening in my life, that amount I've had to be reduced to $310 every month. And yeah, this is mainly to cover my expenses in case unfortunate situations happen, which I hope I will never have to experience. But I'd like to be prepared in case situations like that do arise. So that is essentially what the $310 is for. My vacation amount is currently $100, and this amount has not changed. This amount has not changed since 2024. I would like it to be changed. If things change in terms of my income opportunities, which I'm open to try and figure that out this year and figure out what I can do to increase my income. I would like to be able to contribute more towards my vacation payment every month. My housing savings is currently 310,000. Yeah, it's currently $310,000. Again, that's also for um housing emergencies. For example, I may need to repair things in the condo. Recently I've had to replace my dishwasher and my range. So for expenses like that, will come out of my housing emergency savings. So that is what that $310 is also for. My RDSP amount, again, that's another one that I would like to be able to contribute more to. At the moment, I'm currently contributing $100 every month. My RDSP stands for Registered Disability Savings Plan. If you're new to my channel, I have made several videos about my personal experience with RDSP and the potential opportunities for people with disabilities to use this tool to set themselves up financially for retirement and the opportunities that that may bring. After contributing all of this, I will have a balance of $838 after the first payment. This money will be rolled over into my second payment. You may see here that I have a total balance of 2,497. That is the combination of this amount for my second paycheck and this balance that's left over here. So that's what equates this amount. My property tax right now is currently property insurance, sorry, is currently around 36.15. This will be renewed at some point in March. I'm hoping that this would not go up so much, but looking like it may increase a bit. My utilities is currently $90. I'm not sure exactly why my utilities is quite high in this condo. Just given that I don't even use much energy. I don't turn on my lights. I don't cook very often. I usually meal prep my meals, which means I maybe cook twice or three times a week, right? So I'm not sure why I'm paying such a high fee for my utilities. I've called MMax to try and figure out some solutions about why my bills are so high, but there hasn't been any real resolutions as regards to this. My property tax right now is currently $77, but this is also going to be going up because the city of Calgary, which I'm quite upset and angry about, decided to double the evaluation of my condo this year. One might say that that's a good thing, that the value of my property is increasing, but in reality, I think, it seems to me like a money grab for the city. I don't really necessarily know why we're paying property tax every month unless we're selling our condo or properties, right? Like when you buy a property, you pay taxes. This is not a consumable items, right? People are living in their condo. I'm not necessarily sure why we're constantly paying for this property that we already paid for, right? I know the city has to generate income to be able to sustain itself, but I don't think it should be necessarily dependent on homeowners to be able to finance the city's budget, I think that's kind of an issue that I'm struggling with right now. I haven't received my new what's it called, tax tax payments yet for 2025. I'm thinking that's probably gonna come sometimes in March. So we will wait and see what that looks like. My condo fee went up sometimes in 2024. I think it was September. Yeah, it went up in September 2024. It used to be 436.97 or something like that, but now it's now 446.96. So not too much. It's also likely to go up again sometimes in September as well. Monthly mortgage payments. My mortgage payments remains the same. As you know, I have a 5-year fixed mortgage, so I still have this payment for the next 4 years. So I don't have to worry about that one. As many of you that I might have seen my videos in the past may know, I do support my mom with about $200 every month. Just to help her out as she's currently retired and doesn't have much income coming in for her. So I am supporting her with $200. My phone bill, I am currently with Freedom Mobile, so my phone bill is currently 35.12 and my internet is 57.75. The reason why my two phone and internet are so low is because I bundled them together. If you do a bundle with them, you're able to get a better price, thereby reducing the cost of these two products. After all my expenses and all the other shenanigan fees, I am left with 306.56, and this money is usually my fun money. In case things happen, if something comes up that I need to pay for, that would come out of this amount. If any of my bills increase, that would come out of this amount. So that is currently what I have right now. My grocery bill right now is currently $500. I currently don't spend all of this on groceries, but I do spend maybe around $400, and the remaining amount is usually for like personal hygiene items like soaps, toothbrush, that kind of stuff. All the other stuff that doesn't include groceries that you have to pay for comes out of this amount as well. And at the end of the day, you'll see that I operate a zero budget monthly budget. So at the end of the month, I have zero balance. So every dollar is accounted for and distributed to various needs. In 2025, I'm hoping to be able to grow my income and be able to bring more income in. If you want to help me with that, you can subscribe to my channel and help me grow my YouTube channel so I can begin to generate income through YouTube as well. That would be very helpful. If you have any other questions about my journey, my financial budget for 2025, leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, I am looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.